Hey everybody, Genesis Jones here with Total G-Shockers, and in this video series we'll be talking about the digital compass. What is it, why it's important, and how to calibrate it on your GPRB1000 Rangeman. So let's get started. So when most people think of watches with a compass, we think of watches that are often used outdoors. Now, watches with a compass are models that are specifically designed for campers, backpackers, trekkers, and other outdoor enthusiasts. For people who are looking to buy a watch with a compass, take note that the reliability and durability factors do play a huge role when choosing the right kind of compass watch. Now, whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or not, you already know how useful it is to have a good map and compass when you are in the great outdoors. If you lose your way in the wilderness, it might not be a fun experience. If you don't have a compass or a way out. So you want a watch whose compass is going to be as accurate and reliable as possible, which is why the compass on a watch is often very much scrutinized. Now, there are a variety of ways that a compass can be built into the design of a watch. Some watches have a miniature compass within the face, while other watches may have a larger compass that surrounds the watch's bezel. Now, I recommend that your compass watch be the kind where the bezel is marked with the cardinal compass points, and this is because points on the bezel are easier to read, use, and will be more helpful for you when you need to get back on track quickly when you find yourself in an emergency situation. And with the digital compass, the watch may also come with a thermometer, altimeter, and barometer, like many of the G-Shock watches that have that triple sensor. Now, an example that we're going to be talking about a little later in this video series is the GPRB1000 Rangeman. So with the digital compass that is built into the G-Shock Rangeman, how it works is that the magnetic field of the Earth is an intricate network of north and south radiation. Now, there is a direction sensor, and this is used to accurately determine direction in the magnetic field. Now, the direction sensor is made up of two rectangular coils that detect slight tensions that is created by the Earth's magnetic field. Depending on the position and direction from these tensions, they will vary in intensity. Now, there is also a non-magnetic resistance between the two coils, which does a great job at absorbing the subtle changes in tension. With each new position, the values that are measured by the resistance do indeed change. And finally, we have the microprocessor that converts those measurements so that they can be displayed clearly on the G-Shock watch, and so that people like you and me can understand without having to do the conversions ourselves. Now, the GPRB1000 Rangeman comes equipped with the digital compass, and you can use the digital compass mode to determine the direction of north. Also, you can use the digital compass mode to check your bearing to a destination. And for those who do not know what that means, to check your bearing to a destination, it just means to check the direction that you have to travel to get from your current location to your destination, right? So it's the path you take to get to your destination, and it makes sure that your watch is leading you in the right direction to get there. So for the Rangeman, the digital compass is able to measure and display the direction as one of 16 points. The measuring range is from 0 degrees to 359 degrees, and it measures in units of 1 degree. We also have 60 seconds of continuous measurement, bidirectional calibration, which is the function that performs calibration whenever you notice the watch's compass readings are different from those of another compass, or right before you set out on a climb or a trek. And we also have magnetic declination calibration. Now this is the calibration of which the angle on the horizontal plane is between magnetic north and true north. So the digital compass also contains the bearing memory, which records and displays one set of degree and direction. And for this Rangeman, there is also the graphical display of north and an auto horizontal compensation. Alright everyone, in the next video, we're going to be walking through how to calibrate the compass reading on the G-Shock GPRB1000 Rangeman. In this video, I just wanted to give you the fundamentals, to give you that little background before we jump in. Now, there are 7 steps that you need to make sure you do in order to calibrate the compass reading on your Rangeman. And I'm going to walk you through all 7 of those steps in the next video. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and make sure to hit that bell to get the notifications when new videos are released. That's all for today. And as always, continue to rock your G-Shock nonstop. Deuces.